180 species in genus Polyscias. My fascination with the Polyscias genus. Hi, I'm Ferb Vu, and I've always been drawn to the intricate beauty of the plant world. Lately, I've become particularly fascinated by the Polyscias genus, a diverse group of evergreen shrubs and trees belonging to the Araliaceae family. These plants, with their captivating foliage and intriguing growth habits, have captured my attention and sparked a desire to learn more about their unique characteristics and diverse applications. A closer look at Polyscias. Native to the tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, Pacific Islands, and Madagascar, Polyscias are renowned for their ornamental value. Their leaves, which vary greatly in shape, size, and color, are the defining feature of this genus. From deeply lobed and variegated patterns to delicate, fern-like fronds, Polyscias offer a stunning array of foliage that can add a touch of elegance and intrigue to any indoor or outdoor space. But Polyscias are more than just aesthetically pleasing plants. In many cultures, they hold significant cultural and medicinal value. Some species are used in traditional medicine to treat a variety of ailments, while others are considered symbols of good luck and prosperity. This blend of beauty and utility is what truly makes Polyscias stand out in the botanical world. Exploring the diversity of Polyscias. The Polyscias genus encompasses a wide variety of species, each with its own unique characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The appeal of Polyscias. What draws me to Polyscias, aside from their obvious beauty, is their adaptability and resilience. Many species thrive in a variety of conditions, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor cultivation. They can tolerate low light conditions, making them ideal for homes and offices, and they can also withstand periods of drought, making them relatively low-maintenance plants. Furthermore, Polyscias are relatively easy to propagate, allowing enthusiasts like myself to expand their collection and share their passion with others. Whether through stem cuttings or air layering, propagating Polyscias can be a rewarding experience that deepens one's connection with these fascinating plants. Beyond ornamentation, the cultural and medicinal significance of Polyscias. While Polyscias are primarily cultivated for their ornamental value, they also hold cultural and medicinal significance in various parts of the world. In some cultures, Polyscias are believed to bring good luck and prosperity, and are often used in traditional ceremonies and rituals. In traditional medicine, certain Polyscias species are used for their therapeutic properties. For instance, Polyscias fruticosa is used in Southeast Asia to treat various ailments, including skin diseases, respiratory problems, and digestive disorders. Its leaves and roots are believed to possess anti-inflammatory, analgesic, and antioxidant properties. My journey with Polyscias. As I continue to explore the world of Polyscias, I'm constantly amazed by their diversity and adaptability. I've experimented with different species, learning about their unique care requirements and growth habits. I've also delved into the cultural and medicinal uses of these plants, gaining a deeper appreciation for their significance beyond their ornamental value. My journey with Polyscias has been a rewarding experience, filled with discovery and wonder. These plants have not only enriched my understanding of the botanical world, but have also brought a touch of natural beauty and tranquility into my life. I encourage anyone with an interest in plants to explore the fascinating world of Polyscias and discover the unique charm of these versatile and captivating plants.